Ever feel like your hotel's running you instead of the other way around? Discover how simple daily checklists can bring order to the chaos. I will provide a guide to creating effective daily checklists that can keep your hotel operations smooth and efficient. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of hotel knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning the fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Let's be honest. Monday mornings in the hotel business can feel like trying to herd cats with a foghorn. Guests checking out, staff still waking up, maintenance issues that didn't exist yesterday. If you've ever walked into your lobby at 7 a.m. with a coffee in hand and a prayer in your heart, you're not alone. But here's the good news. You can take the chaos out of your Mondays and the rest of your work week too. A solid daily checklist can transform your hotel's operations from reactive scrambling to proactive smooth sailing. In this episode, you'll learn how to create and use a foolproof hotel checklist, one that saves time, reduces stress, and keeps your entire team on the same page. It's not glamorous, but it works. And let's be real, consistency is sexy when you're running a business that never sleeps. If you're looking for more structured guidance, this episode aligns with what we cover in the Hotel Owner's Roadmap Start, Manage, and Grow course. Your morning checklist. Start strong, stay ahead. The early hours set the tone. A well-run morning is like a good breakfast. Skip it, and you'll be playing catch-up all day. Here's what needs to be ticking off before 9 a.m. Review 9 audit reports. Scan guest feedback from overnight stays. Check in with front desk for early arrivals. Confirm staff schedules and task assignments. Walk the property, and yes, that includes the loos. Don't underestimate the power of that property walk. I know of an owner who once spotted a family of squirrels in the outdoor breakfast nook before the guests did. Let's just say they weren't booked in. Housekeeping checklist. Spotless wins hearts. If there's one thing that can tank a glowing review faster than a cold shower, is a dirty room. Your housekeeping team needs a tight, repeatable process. Key daily checks. Picture this. Your dream hotel, alive with the buzz of happy guests and a thriving business. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But here's the truth. Great hotels don't just happen. They're built with a clear plan. I'm Jerry McPherson, and in the Vision to Reality, your guide to opening a hotel, I'll show you how to turn your vision into a successful, guest-focused property. Want to learn more? Click the link now and take your first step toward making your dream a reality. Verify room cleaning status and VIP priorities. Inspect common areas before peak hours. Restock carts with all needed supplies. Cross-check linen inventory. Flag any maintenance issues. Now here's a tip. Equip your supervisors with a mobile checklist app. That way, updates happen in real time, not just scribbled on the back of a napkin. Your front desk checklist. First impressions count. Reception isn't just about smiles and swipes. It's a mission control. If they're disorganized, the whole ship tilts. Every shift should start with a logbook review and staff handover, reservation updates and special requests, float count and cash reconciliation, local events and weather check, quick role-playing for upselling and problem scenarios. One manager I know makes her team role-play a guest complaint every Monday. It's awkward, but it works. After all, Would you rather your team fumble in a pretend fire alarm or the real thing? Maintenance and facilities checklist. Prevent instead of panic. This is where being proactive pays off. Fixing that flickering light before your guest mentions it in a review. That's gold. Your checklist musts. Daily pool, spa, and HVAC checks. Inspect elevators, lighting, safety exits, garbage, and recycling. Review. Flag supply needs for inventory. Quick test of emergency systems. Rotate the areas. If your handyman is still using sticky notes, it's time for an upgrade. There's apps for that. And your sanity will thank you. Your F&B checklist. Feed them well, feed them again. Your kitchen might not sleep either. Breakfast rush, snack refills, and late night bites means consistent movement. Your kitchen crew's checklist should include menu item inventory and prep levels, cleanliness checks, equipment, services, storage, staff readiness and safety gear, review allergen info and special requests, confirm daily specials and cross-selling strategies. A well-fed guest is a forgiving guest. If you can serve their oat milk latte with a smile, they might just forgive the missing TV remote. The end of the day checklist. Wrap it like a pro. Before your head hits the pillows, the hotel needs to set up for a winning tomorrow. The final checklist items? Finalize guest folios and payments. Backup systems and update logs. Team huddle to review the wins and the hiccups. Restock supplies. Don't forget printer paper. Hand over notes for the night shift. You'll sleep better knowing you didn't leave the next shift with a ticking time bomb. You're not just managing rooms. You're building a business that lasts. One with stories, not just spreadsheets. Your independent hotel blueprint helps you do just that. Download it. It's time. You can find a link in the show notes. What do you always include in your daily hotel checklists? Or what tasks keep slipping through the cracks? Drop a comment. Here are your 5 takeaways. Start early. Tackle issues before they spiral. Standardize tasks so everyone's on the same page. Use tech tools. Stop relying on paper trails. Train for surprises. Role-play scenarios work. Finish strong. Set the stage for tomorrow. A reliable checklist doesn't just keep things tidy. It reduces stress, empowers your staff, and gives you space to focus on what matters. Guests, growth, and maybe a bit more sleep. Start using daily checklists and you'll notice the difference in your reviews, your revenue, and your peace of mind. And if you want the full system we use to manage daily hotel operations, it's all mapped out in the Hotel Owner's Roadmap. Start, Manage, and Grow course. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Keep those lobbies lively, the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired.